guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a goddess twist. So if you want to see the results and how I'm going to be achieving that, please keep on watching. And also, I've already detangled my hair and I have a video showing you guys how I detangle my hair, so the link will be in the description box down below. Be sure to open the description box so that way you can get all the details of the things I'm going to be using in this video. So the hair I'm using today, I bought them on AliExpress. I bought 2 packs, so each pack contained 3 bundles, and also it came with a free crochet hook. Like I said earlier, check the description box for all details. Okay. Oh, let me just take it out. Gotta be careful, I don't want to rip it. Okay, so here is the free crochet hook I got from the seller, and here is the hair. Oh, I almost messed it up. Actually, this would be really great for Afro crochet braid. Oh, it's really soft. So I'm gonna go straight into the video right now, which is sectioning off my hair. I'm gonna start from the back and work my way towards the front. So for the rubber bands, I'm going to be using the Argan oil hair treatment. It's like a serum base. I'm just gonna put it right in there and use that to condition the rubber bands. To wrap the rubber band around the hair. That's the first one. Alright guys, I have only one left in the front, so all these are already put into a rubber band. So man, that's a lot of hair. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did the front. So right here I've already removed the baby hair, so that way I'm not gonna be trying to force them out once the rubber band is already in. I'm going to be using edge wax on the front, and just to tame down those tiny hair in the front. Okay, so next I'm going in with a little comb. I'm just gonna brush it upward, just like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and remove the baby hair, just like that. That's before adding the rubber band, just to make sure the edges are out of the way. So taking extra edge wax, I'm just gonna apply it right there. So this helps to get it out of the way while I wrap the rest of the hair with the rubber band. Okay, nice. So next, taking the rubber band, I'm gonna wrap it around. So for the front section, so I scoop the back ones towards the front like that. Okay, hold on, make sure scoop it towards the front, making sure it's clear from the making sure not to pick strands from the other section. Take the rubber band and just wrap it around. 2, 3. That's it. That is it, guys. Session. So when you make your session, you want to make sure that the one on top falls in between the line on the bottom, so that when you're done, this one will cover the space right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do the jumbo goddess twist. So I just clipped the other one out of the way. So right here I'm gonna go in with 3 of those coils. So but first I'm gonna start by crocheting 2 first before going in with the third one, because the crochet hook wasn't big enough to contain all 3 coils at once. So right here I'm crocheting the 2. So right here I'm going ahead to pull half of those coils through the rubber band just like that, and then I push it aside. So next I'm going in with the third one. Okay, next I'm gonna make sure that I have all 3 coily hair, so just, and also adjusting it to make sure they're all equal length on the bottom. I mean, you can have like a layer coils, depends on how you want your own goddess twist to look, but I just make sure the coils are all even on the bottom. So right here I'm going in with water and just working that into my hair. So this helps to soften my hair and make sure it blends well with the coily hair. So next I'm going ahead to split it into 2, so that way I have equal size of hair on both sides. Also making sure to have all 3 coils, because you don't want to have 2 and 1 is just hanging out. So to do the jumbo twist, you want to make sure you grab your natural hair and the coily hair extension together. So you just twist it and cross it over to the other side, twist and cross it over, twist and cross it over. So you kind of exchange the hair in between your fingers. So right here I'm going in with a hair clip and I'm clipping down the almost like close to the roots of the hair. So this prevents it from rotating too much and also preventing from putting a lot of tension on the roots of the hair. So next right here I'm going in with the edge wax to help tame my natural hair in place, because the end it tends to stick out of the hairstyle I'm doing. So I just use the edge wax to tame my natural hair ends in place. So that helps to kind of smooth it out and also help to hide it in between the curly hair extension. So next I went ahead and twisted all the way to my desired length. So to secure it in place, I'm using a small rubber band and I'm just gonna wrap that around where I want the twist to stop. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys one more time. So you want to do the same thing, hook the coily hair extension and pull half of the hair through. So next you want to go ahead and adjust it to make sure they're all even length on the bottom. So next you want to go ahead and split your hair into 2, and next you want to go ahead and grab both your natural hair and the coily hair extension together, and next you want to go ahead and twist and cross it over to the other side, twist and cross it over just like that, twist and cross over, twist and cross it over. So also doing the same thing, once you get to your desired length, you want to take the rubber band and wrap it around that spot to help to secure it in place. Okay, so next right here I'm going in with water and just spraying a little bit of water on the hair. So next I'm going ahead to run my fingers through it to define the coils, and to give the hair a little bit of shine I'm going in with a hair oil and I'm just applying that on the twist and also the coily part of the hair. So next I'm going to take a scissors and trim the tip of the twist. Hello guys, so this is the finished result of the jumbo goddess twist. I am loving it, love it, love the look, love the length and the color, everything. I love it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and also please don't forget to turn on the notification bell